Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day, and say to yourself, it's not over until I win. There are moments when you're going to doubt yourself. Their rough times are going to come, but they have not come to stay, they have come to pass. It's very important for you to know that. Don't say I'm having a bad day. Say I am having a character building day. No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I'm going to make it. It's possible that you can live your dream, that it's necessary, that you are relentless, that you have a plan of action, that you are creative. It's not over until I win. I'm the one. I'm the one. No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I am going to make it. The people that are running after their dreams are the people that are hungry. Don't stop running toward your dream. Don't stop. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Your life is your life. Know it while you have it. There is light somewhere. It may not be much light, but it beats the darkness. Your life is your life. Do not let it be clubbed into dank submission.